Starting around 05 April 2024, Cardano generally is exchanging at $698 in terms of its US rate with a value change of 0.1% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. ADA truly has a truly complete market cap of 283 456 563 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 572 281, or so they in a real sense thought. This certainly makes Cardano ADA sort of positioning at 9 in the digital money market, or so. They basically thought. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano especially be in every practical sense, worth in 2024, or so they basically thought. Is Cardano a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2024, which basically is very huge? Will ADA cost really outperform its untouched high in opposition to mainstream thinking? These truly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in an especially significant manner. Cardano ADA value expectation 2024 as per the Cardano conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ADA cost especially is supposed to cross a very normal value level of 0.78 and 77. The normal kind of least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to be 0.7 in 1642, which truly is genuinely critical. Besides, ADA can generally arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $792, which truly is very huge. Cardano ADA value expectation April 2024. The cost for Cardano in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $631 and $63 and $35, exhibiting how Cardano ADA value forecast April 2024. The cost for Cardano in April 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $631 and $63 and $35 in a kind of enormous manner, while the typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around 0.659. So Cardano ADA value expectation April 2024. The cost for Cardano in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $631 and $63 and $35. Exhibiting how Cardano ADA value forecast April 2024. The cost for Cardano in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $631 and $63 and $35 in a significant manner. Cardano ADA value estimate May 2024. For May 2024, the cost of Cardano explicitly is truly anticipated to truly arrive at a really normal cost of 0.63 and 44, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of 0.16643 and an essentially least of 0.6110. Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. ADA value gauge June 2024. The Cardano estimate for June 2024 expects that the ADA may in every practical sense arrive at an all things considered greatest worth of 0.69 and 61 with a base cost of around 0.62 and 41, showing how this in a real sense makes Cardano ADA positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market, or so they generally thought. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value ADA can essentially stretch around 0.65 and 34 for June, showing how these for the most part are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in a genuinely significant manner. Cardano value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the truly most extreme cost for Cardano could sort of stretch around 0.72 and 87. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in July 2024 generally is 0.64 and 37, with a very normal cost of 0.16731, which truly is very huge. Cardano ADA value gauge August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Cardano generally is truly anticipated to arrive at a genuinely normal cost of 0.7000, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of 0.7556 and a for the most part least of 0.16765. Certainly further appearance how might ADA cost essentially outperform its unsurpassed high, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. ADA value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Cardano by and large is estimated to in a real sense be at around an especially least worth of 0.68 and 46, which truly is very huge. The Cardano value worth can especially arrive at an especially limit of 0.7906 with the typical exchanging worth of 0.7140 and est in an unobtrusive way. ADA value estimate October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Cardano explicitly is supposed to especially arrive at an essentially least value worth of 0.732. So moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in July 2024 in a real sense is 0.6437 with a fundamentally normal cost of 0.6731, which generally is very critical. The ADA cost could in a real sense arrive at a really most extreme cost of $0.192 with the all things considered normal cost around 0.7425 in a significant way. Cardano value conjecture November 2024. In November 2024, the very most extreme cost for Cardano could explicitly stretch around $0.8489, or so they in a real sense thought. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in November 2024 is 0.7339 with a typical cost of 0.7574 in a fundamentally large manner. Cardano ADA value figure December 2024. The Cardano ADA cost for December 2024 may explicitly arrive at a sort of least worth of $0.701642, while the in every practical sense most extreme estimated cost certainly is around $0.792 in an unobtrusive manner. The typical cost for ADA certainly is by and large anticipated to sort of reach $0.7877 in December 2024, which essentially is very huge. Cardano truly passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been especially diminished by 297% in its sort of current worth, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Assuming we fundamentally think about the genuinely current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, which really is very critical. Cardano for the most part is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, or so they for the most part thought. The ADA sort of is down to nearly 1361% in the by and large most recent 7 days in a very huge manner. The coin really is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for exceptionally past lovely few days. The coin could truly have serious areas of strength for especially yet. We don't basically feel that it would a beneficial resource in fundamentally present moment, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano value conjecture 2024 facts. What will really be Cardano especially worth in 2024? By and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. The ADA cost in a real sense is estimated to for the most part arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0.8792 with truly least cost of $0.171642 toward the finish of 2024. Showing that Cardano certainly passed value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been all things considered, diminished by 297% in its truly current worth, which generally is genuinely huge. Does Cardano by and large have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as value, Cardano especially has an extraordinary all things considered potential to